Hello, my name is Dennis Stransky and I'm from Sweden. I have been trading since 2015, where I started trading shares on the Swedish stock exchange. Then pretty soon I got my eyes open for indices, and especially the German DAX, where I found the volatility I was looking for. Traded DAX for a while, but later on I discovered Forex. Here was this market open 24 hours a day. A lot of different pairs to choose from, and yeah, I liked it. All this time I traded without a clue really what I was doing. Well, at the time I thought I know what I was doing, but really I didn't. I just kept blowing my accounts one after another. The first time I came in contact with William Brown Trading was on Twitter, I think maybe 2 or 3 years ago. He was this guy who talked about mechanical rules, statistical edge, and so on and so forth. And really I had no idea what he meant. At first I didn't care about it, so I continued with my losing trading style, where I really had no idea what I was doing, no journal, no nothing. I couldn't review anything what I was doing. But this guy kept popping up in my feed, so I became more and more curious about what this was. He even started showing his trades on YouTube, and I couldn't believe it. Looked so simple that what he was doing. In the beginning of 2019, I contacted William and decided to buy the two strategies that he offered. I think at the time he threw out an offer, so the cost was affordable. I mostly wanted really to know what a mechanical strategy looked like. I wanted to know what it was really. To my surprise, there wasn't a 100-page document showing up. It turned out to be a fairly simple process to follow and to be fair, and I thought it could be this easy to trade. I started doing my own back testing with the strategy, and I came up with the same result as the documents I have received. I continue with forward testing on my demo account, and the result was good. So I went on to do it on my live. All this time in my back testing, all this William and his team was in the background and helped me with when I had some issues or questions. Always these fast responses and so on. I traded DAX for a while with good results, and right now I don't trade the DAX anymore due to my work schedule. So I recently bought, recently, it was some time ago, but I haven't had the time to really sit down and look at it. But I bought the high time frame bias bar and D1 swing strategy, and I'm currently doing my building my trading process around those strategies. And even now it's incredible support from William and Paul and all the guys on We Be Trading. I really recommend if you have struggled in your trading. For me, this was a game changer. I will never look back to any other thing in the trading business. This is a really kind of boring way to trade, but it generates income, and I'm good with that. That's all from me. Thank you.